Hi guys, this is the first video. It is an introductional video for my YouTube channel that I'm going to be releasing within the next couple of months from now. It's going to have everything on it, basically my biography on what we do when we are off work. This is our cabin that we have out here. We love it out here at camp. It's going to have knitting. I'm going to have cooking on it. Boating in the summer, all the activities that we do, that we're going to do, and we welcome you guys to join our journey. Now, this is our cabin. It's just a little log cabin. We're going to be doing some work in here too, not very much this year. Basically, I love it out here. It's quiet. It is awesome. And yeah, we'll have lots of videos coming up in here and outside. It is really cold in here, actually. I'm going to put my toque on because it is currently, as you can see, only a couple 2 degrees in here. We got the fire going nice and hot for now. And we got this little fan, which is fantastic. My husband bought it off of Amazon. It is great. It actually distributes the heat here when it starts, so we know it's self-propelled. Once there's heat coming off of the stove, it starts blowing, which is fantastic. In this cabin, it is all of our lights and everything are run off the solar panel. There will be a video with some of how my husband hooked it up and everything, because he did it. I'm not taking credit for it. No way. It wasn't me. You know how it is. Happy wife, happy life? Hell no. It's more like happy husband, sane wife. I'm going to put my toque on. And let's go outside and check some of the things that we've already built out here. Now, we do have a Woodland Mills sawmill that my husband and father-in-law have bought, which is great. You're gonna see also some of the videos are gonna now. This little dude, run it off away. We'll show Jax later. We've got our enclosed porch, which I love, especially when it's raining. It's freaking beautiful. It is calm. It is awesome. Wood shed that my husband bought. Built. Sorry, with a buddy of ours is one tree that he cut down and donated to us to build. It's actually quite quaint. I love it because before we used to pile our wood here with a tarp, which is great, but not so great in the winter when it's frozen in. There's a bunch of wood that our other friend donated because he swapped to a pellet stove. There's the stable, tractor, and we also built this awesome off-grid outdoor shower, which there'll be other videos when we hook it up and everything else on the inside, and the large outhouse. We have lots of stuff, and stay tuned. I'll have a little bit of videos for everybody. Catch you soon.